Hi, I'm Shinobee and welcome to my kitchen. Do you like Japanese food? Would you like to create that menu item you always order at the Japanese restaurant? If so, look no further. On my channel, I will be sharing with you tried and true recipes of the Japanese cuisine, but also these 4 things. 1. How and where to find Japanese ingredients and cooking tools. 2. How to use those ingredients to the maximum potential with minimum waste. 3. Celebration foods unique to Japanese seasons. 4. How to add that extra detail to make your dish pop on Instagram or on the potluck table. Now check out my Instagram and see what I've been cooking up in the kitchen. But also don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends so we can cook together.